Woke up to the sound of nothing, just the echo of my breath. Your coffee cup still on the counter, like you paused and never left. Every corner whispers stories of a time I can't replace. Trace your name in the window fall, just to see your face. The sky is heavy and the world moves slow. I'm stuck in moments only I still know. You're a song that plays in the quiet parts, still pulling strings on my faded heart. Like your eyes when you weren't sure. I scroll through photos, barely breathing, looking for the you I swore was pure. Maybe you're out there feeling nothing. Maybe I'm the only one who breaks, but I keep the lights low every evening in case your shadow makes a mistake. The sky breaking heart.